Hello and welcome to 10-minute meditations for less stress and more joy. This is Lauren Lapointe. Thank you so much for being here. Have you been curious about meditation but not sure how to start? Do you want to reduce stress and have more clarity, focus, and overall joy in your life? Or maybe you've tried meditating in the past but had trouble sitting still or keeping up with your racing thoughts. I understand all of these challenges, and I've prepared a course that will teach you how to meditate no matter where you are or what kind of experience you may or may not have had in meditation. In this course, I've prepared several guided meditations that we'll be able to practice together. Each meditation is no longer than 10 minutes, so you'll be able to easily fit it into your day. I've even prepared a short 2-minute meditation that you can practice at your desk if you have a break at the office or just for those days when you have less time. You'll get the opportunity to try out a few different styles of meditation so you can pick the one that you like the best. You'll also get to learn about the benefits of meditation, some of the challenges, how to sit properly in meditation, and also what to do with all of those racing thoughts. By the end of the course, you'll have all of the tools and techniques that you'll need to be able to practice meditation on your own. Thank you so much for being here. Here's to more joy, peace, calm, and just better overall health. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the course ahead. See you soon.